So we were contacted by Mike of Kidder Jefferys Construction to help replicate a baluster for one of the historical houses on West 6th Street. The project that we're working on now is to help digitize an older baluster from a home that they couldn't find a replacement part for. So we were able to take this 130-year-old baluster, scan it, and replicate it using our 3D printers. Our workflow for this project is using a lot of the tech that we have here in our makerspace. We start with the original piece. We have a handheld laser scanner that we can use to digitize the baluster. Then using its software, we can post-process it, smooth it out, clean up any blemishes. Then we slice that into smaller sections that can fit on our 3D printers. We print those out and then reassemble them using some body filler and sanding everything out to be smooth again. And then we reattach wooden sections to the top and bottom so that the contractor can't tell that this is actually a plastic part. One of the great things that we can do with laser scanners here is to help digitize older artifacts, whether that's balusters out of a 130-year-old house or pieces of pottery that Gannon has in our Archeology department. The tech that we have here is really useful to help preserve history and then replicate it in a way that we can show off to other people.
So there's certain parts of these historic restorations where we need building parts that are identical to the building part that's either failed or we need to replace or is missing. And these balusters on this 1895 home at 538 West 6th Street were pieces just like that. And we looked for other wood replicas, and honestly we couldn't find them. And we finally were able to secure a model of one that was wildly expensive and would take months and months to make. So I made a phone call to a Gannon board member, a personal friend of mine, Germer. He suggested that we utilize 3D printing at Gannon. He gave me Nick Devine's number, and the rest, I guess, is history.
This is our first major outreach project using this third floor makerspace here in the new IHAC building. Once we open our new 6th floor Center for Manufacturing and Technology, it really expands our capabilities of the types of projects that we can do. So this is a great stepping stone into much larger projects for the Erie community.